All right, greetings everybody. Welcome back to A Team. This is A Team Trading Strategies. All right, good evening everyone. Welcome to Thursday night's trading, last day of the week before a break tomorrow. This is A Team Trading Strategies, and welcome. So I've been looking at this chart for a little while. We had a big, huge dip and came right back up. We kind of oversold on the overbought on the RSI right now. So I'm looking for a short. Looking for a short. And I don't know. Not really showing over overbought just yet on the 1 minute. But yeah, as I said before, overall I am pretty bullish on the market right now. But still, we're gonna play it by ear. We're gonna trade what we see, and we're resetting today. We pretty much lost all the profit we've gained on this paper trading account last night. Just going too wild and crazy here. But let's see. Let's see what the volume may show us. We have the POC right up here. Several points of control. So really, we're within this band. I'm expecting a retest here pretty soon. And I don't know. I'm not really sure. Kind of tough to read right now. But on the 5 minute, it looks like we're due for a drop here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 2. And with a risk of 500. Oh, neg 500, I guess. Oh, goodness. There we go. I don't know why it says -2. There we are. Oh, we got that settled. Where's our stop? Way up here. Let me change that. Let me put it back to Mondays. Monday. All right. There we go. I think we're pretty safe there. That is a huge stop. But not really if you just shrink it down a little bit. And we don't have to risk 500, as I said. We could just put it right above the POC. I'm expecting it to come back down here, probably to this level at least. So I hope everyone's having a good night. And we're going to try to get this started again. See how we do. We hit 90,000, we're done for. And we'll reset the account and try again. First trade of the night. I reset that prop firm account and tried again. But I don't know. I just don't like it. I mean, you're only really playing with $2,000 there. So it's a test account. So I'm going to leave it alone. If I ever do it again, then I think I'll just get like a funded account. I don't know. But I don't think I will. My UCO play has been doing pretty good. And my SPY call, I did buy a SPY call, a cheaper one. It expires in June. June sometime, June 26th. Because I have a bullish bias. So did pretty good today on the market. Not really day trading anymore with real money, leaving the options contracts alone for the most part. At least 0 dates. And weeklies. We're going to go more long term. So that's where I'm at today. And blew $100 resetting that stupid prop firm account. I'm not going to do it. I thought I'd give it a try again, but nah, it's not going to work out. So going to leave that alone. Just going to pay for trade and try to grow this channel. If you're watching, please subscribe, like, and share. All I need is 50 subscribers, and I can do this live and meet people. Love to chat with you guys and get your thoughts on trading and help me improve. And maybe we can trade together. I would love to do that. But until then, it's just me flying solo. So let's see how this trade plays out. We got 350 on the table right now. Well, it's bad for this video, but we're learning. But I think we do well to not bet against the Bulls. But look at that drop we had, though, earlier today. Yeah, that's how I got destroyed on this prop for Recal. I was thinking, oh, we're going to go up. No, we just kept going down. Caught a little ride up, but didn't make anything back. And then I was short in here, thinking, okay, well, maybe we go back down and bounce back up. But no, we did not. And we've just been going up and up and up. So, and I've been losing. But here we go. Okay, this is more reasonable. Come on. I mean, are we not oversold here? I mean, overbought. Oh, I gotta learn to be more patient. Look for better entries, I guess. Just the RSI alone really doesn't do anything. I don't know though. Do we really need another indicator? So we've been on a losing streak, right? I'm still gonna stick with what was working before. I mean, we'll just see. Again, really, this is all about just trying to find a good system. Get used to it. Get used to the market until we can consistently win over time. Having bad days is understandable, especially with the FOMC and earnings and the way the market is now. But you know what? No excuses. I just wonder if we're going to get any higher than this. We might. Let's see if it does. But one thing I'm lacking is just experience. So I believe with more experience will come better accuracy. Such is my hope anyway. But if you'll notice, right? Low volume all the way up until the end. This is where the buyers came in. So it's like half and half, you know? I'm still not sure if anybody's really trading this market other than the institutions. Seems to be like most of the volume is institutional buying and selling right now. Not so sure if it's retail. But I do believe that we are in the beginning of a bull run. That's why I bought those calls and I bought into oil. Seems to be, initial indication seems like that's a good move. Could be dead wrong though. Who knows? Who really knows? So we got 1 minute left on this candle. Looks like a nice solid red candle forming. Just need to get back down to the POC. Hopefully flip it. But we shall see. So I suspect that we should probably be trading on the 1 minute using our RSI. Because I've noticed that on the 5 minute, even though when it's way up here, it just keeps wanting to go up. So we might actually do well to maybe get out of this position unless we see some volume come in on this candle. No, nothing. We're gonna get out. I'm thinking we should go long. Yep. Should probably go long. So if you notice this one standard deviation, VWAP, pretty big swing. Is that big on the 5 minute too? Oh yeah, it is huge. Let me look at that. My goodness. What do you do with that? I don't know. Just hope that we're going up. But we do seem to be getting more buying pressure than selling pressure right now. So we should be on the long side. And we'll use our RSI indicator as a good place to get out. And it might just go ahead and maybe this level again. Double top maybe? I don't know. But I don't think we're even near the day's open just yet. Where do we open at? First candle of the night. 5688.50. Yeah, so open's like way up here. So we begin the day negative on the S&P 500, but I think in the end, yeah, I think in the end we'll be positive. Just started, you know, so let us see. Somebody in one of the trader message groups said it just from puts to calls. I'm like, yep, I agree. I agree. But who knows? Especially with that India thing playing out, India and Pakistan. Who knows what's going to be happening out there? All right, so I think we're going to take profit right here. And we're going to look for a pullback to come back in on the 1 minute. I think trying to trade the 5 minute on the overnight session is just kind of inaccurate. I think that's what's caused a lot of our problems. At first, it was easy, you know. We were making good profits, but I mean, market was super bearish, so of course it was going to be easy. But I'm going to be looking to come back either to here or this level, either the top band of the VWAP or this support level, and then enter in long again. See how that goes. Let's see what's going on with India and Pakistan. If there's anything on the news about them tonight. Explosions heard in Indian-controlled Kashmir as tensions with Pakistan escalate. India reports strikes on military bases. Pakistan denies any role. Come on. Pakistan. How are you going to deny any role? Why wouldn't you take responsibility? Oh, it's because they probably failed on a lot of their attacks. They didn't want to be embarrassed, I guess. But yeah, crazy stuff out there. Crazy stuff. But we got a UK deal. You know, we're making America great again. So let's go, bullies. That's what I say. In fact, you know what? We're going to put that bull up here. Even though we had that initial bearish run, that was crazy. But we took it right back. Took it right back. Alrighty. Let's see, we're breaking that level. Still waiting for a good pullback. Gonna be more patient tonight. I'm in no rush. We've just begun this trading session. So I'm down 600 overall right now, which is a bummer, but that's okay. Not for the night, but just overall since we've started. We were up 5,000 at one point. So we had a negative run of 5,000. And that happens. Getting too crazy, getting too emotional, too aggressive with these trades. But yeah, I'm going to get a drink real quick and I'll be right back. And we will see if we get a better entry. So we are getting into extremely overbought levels again. Even on the 1 minute. So I was thinking about selling. I'm glad I didn't. I was going to target the top band of this VWAP again. But yeah, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to sit out for a second. Just going to leave it alone. Wait for a retest. Look at that thing. It's just going to keep going. Big green day tomorrow. Yeah. You know what? For a quick profit, right? Let's do that. For a quick profit. Tight stop right here above this candle. It's only a 1 minute candle. So let's see. Let's see if we can do it. And nope. Come on. Just come on down. We're way overbought. No sellers in the market right now. Look at that. All right. Yeah, we're going to be patient. I'm not going to short it again. Or am I? Or am I? Real quick, huh? Real quick scalp. Tight stop. Stopped out real quick. We only lost 50 on that. Stop loss. Let's go 50. There we go. Oh yeah, it is, isn't it? Okay. 100 done. No pullback in sight. No pullback in sight. I might just FOMO buy. Man, look at that. It's got to come back down. Gots to. We'll do our standard 500. Let's 500 bet. It's got to pull back. Has to, right? Come on. If it just keeps going up and up to 100 on that RSI and stops me out, I will be amazed. Even in a bull market right now. Okay, there we go. Let's bring this down. because I'm still scared. Come on down. There we are. Selling coming on the end of this 5 minute candle, whatever it is. Yep, 5 seconds left on this 5 minute candle. I expect a little bit more. We'll bring our stop to break even. Huh. Still nothing. Still nothing. Because even on that high volume red, man, still got a big old wick. Maybe we should just keep buying. Our 500 puts us right there. We'll probably experience some pain, but that's okay. I don't. This looks like it's just going up. Maybe we'll just hold this. Hold it for the rest of the night and see how much we can grab here. I'm not even going to move the stop. Got 40 minutes left of this hour. I don't plan to go past an hour tonight. I'm seriously demotivated. I think I'm catching a cold or something. And I've been on a losing streak. So, we're just going to let it go. If it takes back the whole candle here and comes back down to this level, I'm going to go ahead and DCA for 2 more. Same stop. We'll leave our stop in place. But I would think we need a little bit of relief here, right? See what that 5 minute looks like. Big old candle. Big wick up at the top though. So 3 minutes in. Yeah, we could be going back up from here. Don't know. Don't know just yet. Let's see all that that decrease the last 2 minutes. That looks like the buyers are like, we're gonna get more buying. They're probably gonna start taking profits, bring this down a little bit, and we'll add 2 more. Add 2 more contracts to our position, and just hold. All right, a little bit more volume coming in. Looks like there's nothing but buyers right now. And yeah, that was probably the take profit at the end. And ready to go up again? I have no clue. There we go. I don't know. Maybe a little relief here. Get back into the blue band of the RSI. I don't know. Is this support now? Is this support now? Seems like it. Ever since we've been coming up, the RSI has been bouncing off the middle. So, but the VWAP is way down here. So I do expect a good pullback here. Nope, no pullback yet. Except these little wicks at the top of these 1 minutes. 1 minute candles. Noodle around on the guitar for a little while, I guess, while we're in. See if it pulls back further. There we go. There's a little pullback. Some people are taking profits now. I think we've gotten a lot of clarity over the past week, over these past few days, and I think the clarity is that we are on our way up from here, people. I mean, that's what I'm saying. That's my call. Like, the bull run has officially begun. We're gonna retake all the losses since February, and maybe a pullback here and there, but overall, I think we're on our way up. If World War III does not break out. You know, war and uncertainty change everything. And no doubt, I do believe that there are global forces at play, you know, and playing against Trump and the whole MAGA regime, you know. But we'll see. See what kind of tricks they have up their sleeves. Alright, since we're up here in no man's land right now, let's just see what's happening. Like, where's our next key level at? This is a key level right here, I guess. Boop. Anything else? Maybe right here. Yeah, a little bit. Right there. And let's expand this out. Nah, not seeing anything. Alright. VWAP steadily coming up. We got a little relief on the RSI. Yeah. Nah, I'm just gonna let it go. We'll just let it ride. Man. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like real fast. Guess we could bounce back and forth between the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Yeah, it's looking like this move's losing momentum. I'm gonna go ahead and exit out. I'm expecting a pullback, but you know what happened last time I expected a pullback? Nothing, just kept going up. Overbought. We have a divergence. Yeah, I'm thinking it comes back down to the VWAP here. Maybe even here. So maybe I'll put a buy limit. And we'll put the stop right under here. For the buy limit. See if it comes back down. Probably won't. Look at that. And you know what? I think that's probably a better look there. And we also got a channel forming. Maybe we can buy off of that channel. There we go. Right there. Nah, right there, I guess. And right there. Let's see. Look about right. Yeah, that looks about right. It'll take a little patience, but I think it'll work out. Market is looking extremely bullish though. The buyers were just waiting for the right price to just go ahead and obliterate the bears down there at the bottom. And it looks to me like market makers just looking for sellers right now to get in long. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. Maybe we'll put our buy limit up here. Man, but I don't know. I expect a strong pullback. In fact, so strong, I'm going to cancel this because I don't know how far that's going to drop once it does. Let's see where we're at on our account. Neg 550. Yeah, we're coming back up slowly but surely. We'll get there again. Seeing a little resistance here. A little bit of red poking through. Still not a good buy here. I still don't see it. Watch. Right as I say that, just to the moon. Love it. Love it. You know, let's take a look at the 15-minute, see what the bigger picture looks like right now. Nothing but green, green, green. Took all that back. We still got a big old red candle right here. 1545, but that was end of day sell-off, right? I don't know. You're going to take all that back? Maybe. Maybe not. Somebody said there was a call wall up here. Yeah, I guess so. Whatever that means. Call wall. But let's see the volume on these things. Nothing really noticeable. I mean, uptick in volume on this one. And this one is still playing out. 2 minutes left. A little downtick in volume. So, I don't know. Yeah, might be losing its momentum here. Expecting a little bit of ranging, and we'll find a better entry. I expect to come back down to list level before we go back up. But who knows? We are recording, right? Yeah, we are. Let's go for a different key. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. Not feeling the guitar. I'm just gonna look for a good entry on this and see if we can find one. See if we can find one. And you know what? We're only gonna make the trend off of this ever since the RSI became oversold, overbought. Let's see what it looks like now. It's a very thin channel for sure. Looks like a ascending wedge. Don't know. Don't know what that's called. I don't know my patterns very well. I know the basic ones. I know the basics. There we go. Looks like buy territory now. With the way this has been playing out. Put it right down there. If it comes down to the bottom and retests here, that's a definite add. We're going to definitely be adding. So here we are again. Last 10 minutes. Hopefully this is a winner. And we'll hold this until this finishes out. Just gotta decide where a good exit is. Uh-oh. I added to my position too soon. Too soon. As soon as I added it, all the sellers start coming in. It's funny. All right. I should have added to my position here. But hey, if I would have just waited like 30 more seconds, right? 30 more seconds. What's wrong with me? All right. So maybe we're looking at the true channel here. No, I don't think so. A little dip below it. Get that liquidity. Keep it going. Right? Right. Wrong. Oh goodness. Big loss here. You know what? I refuse. I refuse to accept that loss. No way, Jose. If we're gonna lose, we're gonna lose big, dang it. Alright. So we're oversold on the RSI right now. Didn't take much. Did not take much. We're in for 4 contracts now. And as I said, I'd rather be stuck on the bottom end of a bull move. But this could be the end of it. I don't know. I don't think so, though. I'm still seeing way more buyers out there in the market than sellers, but could be wrong. Could be wrong. Maybe we want that VWAP again, huh? Yeah, it looks like they want that VWAP. We're going to go ahead and just tuck right under it. You know what? We'll make it an even 1500. A little bit more, a little bit riskier. But I don't know. I'm still confident that we're going back up. We'll see. We'll see if my confidence is just my undoing here. Bias confirmation on my part. Or is it just saving my trade? I think it's just saving my trade, honestly. I mean, look at that. Still a lot of buyers on the way down. Yeah, there we go. I think we're okay. We're very oversold on a bullish market. So I think that's good. See what we're looking like. I don't even know if I could add even to this. Even if I wanted to, I don't know if I could. But we're getting a good feel for how the market acts in these types of circumstances. We're still trying to transition, and I think we're nearing the end of that transition. Honestly, I think we have transitioned. So I'm not surprised. See big sell-offs, come every now and then. That's just retail. I mean, market makers just pushing it up, buying, buying, buying on the little dips, and we just keep going up and up. And that was probably a lot of sellers from down there, maybe whoever may have held that long. I wish that was me, but it wasn't. But it wasn't. What a steep drop. What a steep drop. But bouncing off that upper band of the VWAP, I think it had to do that. I mean, you can only stay up here for so long, right? But now we're down here, and I think we're good to go. Hopefully. Unless it just does the exact opposite of what it just did, and we just stay red down here forever. Let's see what the 5 minute says. That's, yeah, 5 minute. Okay. We may have room to go on the 5 minute, according to the 5 minute. Let's see the 15 minute. Yeah, maybe a little bit more room to go. But I expect a big wick on this candle on the 15 minute, honestly. But back to the 1 minute. Let's see how it acts. It's gonna stop me out, isn't it? Come on, don't do that. Uh, all right, that's it. I'm done for tonight. We're still alive. We're still alive. Negative again. Probably back to the consolidation zone, wherever that is. Oh my goodness. Well, where are we at now? Realized neg 2100. But yeah, I'm done. I don't. I'm really not feeling this. Tough market to trade. And it's best to know when you're beat. And I am beat. I am beat. But, I mean, I think it's a good sign. It's a good sign for my calls in the real money. So, anyway, we'll just have to accept our defeat today. But This is A Team Trading Strategies. Signing off.